Today we are making a apple peach yellow cake mix, easy Dutch oven cobbler. For an added treat, our camp host Lisa brought us some hand-picked blackberries. We'll add them to the peaches and the apples. So we've got a 10-inch cast aluminum Dutch oven, which I've already lined with a paper parchment liner to make the cleanup easier. We have 24 briquettes already fired up, ready to go. I'm gonna put 16 on the bottom. Now I'm gonna put 12 on the bottom. Change my mind. Okay, I'm gonna preheat the Dutch oven. This is my little stand because this particular Dutch oven does not have legs on it like my larger Dutch ovens. It's got a smooth bottom. So, I'm going to preheat the oven while we get our pie filling ready. Our oven has preheated. We're going to go ahead and put the pie filling in here. Here's the peaches. And now we'll add in the blackberries. We'll put in our box of yellow cake mix. Just kind of smooth it around. We take one stick of butter, cut it up in pats. We'll put the lid on it. Put the remaining charcoals on the lid. And we're going to cook it for 45 minutes. Okay, now every 15 minutes I have to turn the lid 90 degrees one direction and the entire pot 90 degrees in the other direction, so I'll have even baking and won't have hot spots. I went ahead and started me some extra charcoals in case it's not done. I'm going to turn the pot 90 degrees, which is a quarter turn, that direction. Turn the lid a quarter turn in that direction. So now, wait a few more minutes and we will check to see if it's done. If it's not, we'll add a few more charcoal briquettes. It's been 45 total minutes since we put the briquettes on the lid and the bottom. So now we're gonna remove the top and see what we've got and if we need to do any additional cooking. So here we go, if I can keep from dropping coals in the fire. It looks pretty good, but I may want to cook it. Yeah, we need to cook it a little bit more, I believe. So we're going to put some more charcoal on the top and a few more on the bottom. Okay, we put a few extra coals on it and cooked it an additional 10 minutes, so let's see what we got. A burned cobbler or a cooked cobbler. It smells like it's cooked, but it could be burned. Oh yeah, look at it bubbling. See it? We'll put it back on there. Oh no, it's perfect. Okay, all it needs is eating. Let me go get some ice cream. Ta-da!